Hi, welcome back. This is again, and today we are going to be talking about this guy right here. Computer guy, why don't you just get an Elgato and just be done with it? I could get an Elgato, yes, I could, but then that would just cause more of a monopoly, and that doesn't really help anybody. So we're going to review this. Alright guys, so this is the EVGA, I'm not sure if I said that earlier, this is the EVGA XR1 Lite. So I do believe they do have a non-light version, but we're going to go ahead and open this up. Very nice packaging. Okay, so let's take a look. And that's the box. We've got the specifications and stuff on the box. Feels like we have a booklet, quick guide here. We have the actual device here, which is actually not too bad. It's about the size of my little battery pack, actually a little bit smaller, about the same thickness though. And it looks like they've got a little plastic on it. So we got this, we were looking for video recorders or like capture cards, and essentially we're trying to get it to where we can have Silent Birdie stream and not have such a load on her computer. Nice boxing. Looks like we have our but yeah, so so that Silent Birdie doesn't have such a load on her computer, she can stream and then we'll capture it over on my computer. Any heavy game loads and stuff like that that her computer may not be able to handle. But looks like we've got just a standard USB Type-C. So essentially this will plug in and send data. So it'll be Type-C here to USB, I believe 3.1 is what this goes off of. That'll also feed power to it. And then this also has, I would imagine this guy is the HDMI cable. Let's see if this HDMI cable is any better than the one that we got with the last one. Because the last one we got, you can see that video somewhere around here. They actually sent me a damaged HDMI cable. You actually could see some of the plastic for the pins was busted off, like somebody had inserted it and it caused some problems. Or inserted it and broke it. But yeah, no, this looks good. HDMI. So this is going to have the Type-C port here. You're going to have HDMI, and it's very clearly labeled, which is nice. HDMI out. So this is going to go to another monitor if you need it to. The HDMI in. So you can literally, from what I'm understanding, USB to the computer and HDMI in. It could be a console, it could be another computer, doesn't matter, that goes into here, and that literally could be the only thing you need. If you want to have this feed out to another monitor, it does support 4K pass-through, so it can have 4K come into it and do 4K 60 frames out of it, from what I'm reading in the specs, but it can only capture at 1080. So it'll probably take the 4K signal and downsample it to 1080, which is okay. Honestly, most capture cards, I think that's more than plenty, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. We're gonna do some testing with this, and we will post up a review about it. If you guys have any questions, post them below. We'll try and wrap it in with the review. Thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like, that always helps the videos out. and we'll see you next time.